G'day, back again with yet another Wallbox charger. It's amazing how the name Wallbox is the brand, but it's actually what people refer to the thing on the wall. They really have owned the EV charging world. Certainly in Europe, are the number one easily. Globally, an extremely big player in the EV charging market. Now, this is the Wallbox Copper. Now, the Wallbox Copper, different design from the previous one we looked at, which was the Pulsar Plus. Now, this is a box in a box. Well, let's take the box out of the box. Here we go. And there it is. Wallbox Copper. Okay, make sure that's open. And let's get into it. Don't think I need my gloves anymore. Safety first, guys. Right. And there it is. And it's got a Type 2 socket. Now, this design is so that you supply the cable to suit the vehicle. You could have Type 2 at this end and Type 1 at the other, or Type 2 at this end and Type 2 at the other. So it gives you the flexibility in terms of what you want to connect to this product, the type of vehicles port that's available. It also means that it's a BYO cable arrangement, so you do need to have a cable for your vehicle, which really is highly recommended that you carry one so that you've always got the ability to plug into public charging units. Most public charging places, except for the high-powered DC chargers, just provide you with a socket because maintaining that cable is a problem. It's often left on the ground and gets damaged. So if it's your cable, you're going to look after it. They just supply the socket outlet for you to plug into. So this unit here is part of the suite of Wallbox chargers that can do what's known as dynamic load balancing. If we're going to install 3 of these onto the same circuit, and that means we've got a maximum supply of 32 amps, 3-phase, and using the dynamic load balancing, even when there's all 3 cars plugged in, we can keep within that maximum demand. That's really useful, particularly for home charging, where you may not have the capacity to charge 2 vehicles at the same time at full capacity, but you could actually have 2 of these using dynamic load balancing. It will share the energy between the 2 vehicles. So that's really nice. So that's the Wallbox Copper. And what else have we got in here? A little installation, the installation guide. And I love it, a toolkit. Once again, hats off to Wallbox for cardboard packaging, recyclable. Like, there was basically no plastic in this whole thing, except for, oh look, a little plastic card, which is, in fact, your RFID card by the look of it. So that's the only plastic in this box, apart from the unit itself. And we've got a little bag of, I bet you these are wall plugs. So look. There we go. Isn't that minimal? So for your licensed electrician to install this, a very simple approach, mounting on the wall. Now, this could be hardwired. This one's got a plug on it, but it could be hardwired to a circuit as well. So there you go, the Wallbox Copper.